YouTube is a vast source of content with everything from educational videos to entertainment for kids. However, without proper parental controls, it can quickly become a very risky environment for your child. Therefore, it is essential to your child's online safety that you learn how to set up YouTube's parental controls. Hi, I'm Joel from Security Hero, and in this video, I'll take you through how to get set up with YouTube's built-in parental controls, and I'll also get into why I feel like a third-party monitoring app is a better, more well-rounded solution for keeping your kids safe online, especially within YouTube. If you want to go ahead and take a peek at what some of these third-party apps are offering when it comes to parental controls on YouTube, be my guest. Just please use the links in the description below. You'll get an exclusive discount, and you will also help support the channel, which I'd very much appreciate. Now, let's dive into talking about the effectiveness of YouTube's built-in parental controls. While YouTube's parental controls are a helpful first step in keeping your child safe on the platform, they are far from foolproof. A resourceful child could easily work their way around those restrictions either by creating a new account or just by figuring out how to change the settings. Regardless, it's also important to consider that YouTube's standards for what's considered appropriate for your child may not be in line with your own. The content that passes through YouTube's filters could still be something that you would prefer your child not see. Now, if you still want to get set up with YouTube's parental controls, it's a fairly straightforward process, and you can always set up that extra layer of protection with a third-party monitoring app, which we'll talk more about later. To begin, you'll need to have your own YouTube account. If you don't already have one, you can easily create an account on YouTube or through Google. And then from there, you can go on to manage your parental settings. Once you're signed in with your parents' account, you can go into your account settings and find parental controls. From there, you link your child's account or create one if necessary, and then adjust the content settings based on their age. For YouTube, they have a few different tiers of content filtering, including Explore, which is for kids 9 and older, Explore More, which is for kids 13 and older, or Most of YouTube, which basically covers the entire platform, except for videos that are specifically flagged as being for adults. YouTube's parental controls allow you to disable autoplay, which will stop YouTube in its tracks from putting these videos on an endless loop. And if you are anything like me, an endless loop of Cocomelon is what I would consider hell. So we can stop it. Just push of a button. You can also customize other safety features like clearing their watch history. What this will do is it will prevent YouTube from recommending videos based on the ones your child has previously watched. Now you can also basically operate the kill switch and prevent your child's account from accessing YouTube altogether. You can also do the same for YouTube Music. Now all of these additional settings can just be toggled with a single click. It's very easy to find once you're in the parental settings and you have your kid's account linked. If your child is younger, you might want to consider having them use the YouTube Kids app, which is an entire app specifically designed to be used by younger kids. On this app as well, you can block certain videos and channels that you may deem problematic. Because again, just because it gets filtered through YouTube's platform doesn't mean it's necessarily in line with what you want them to see. Now, if you find that YouTube's native parental controls aren't enough, and as we will soon see, they're not, you can add an additional parental control solution on top of YouTube. Aura is a comprehensive parental control solution that goes beyond YouTube's built-in safeguards. It not only helps manage your child's YouTube experience, but offers a broader layer of protection and monitoring across their digital activities. The software allows parents to monitor their child's screen time and also keep track of the content of the videos that their children are watching. You can also cut off access to your child's device entirely for a period of time if you want. Aura's YouTube monitoring feature can block specific kinds of concerning content, including violence, coarse language, or suggestive content. This goes far beyond what YouTube has built into their platform, which they even admit really doesn't catch everything. Let me give you an example. During testing of the YouTube supervised experience, I was able to access some Saturday Night Live videos on my child's account. Now, at the time, I had it set to Explore, which is the setting that is most restrictive of content and is for kids 9 and older. The first video that I clicked on had some racist themes and included a 4-letter word, and then the next video I clicked on had a hypnotist turning a student bisexual. Now, not to unnecessarily drag SNL into this, this. They didn't do anything wrong. I just think it's probably not something that most parents would want their 9-year-old watching. And it is something that you could catch if you used a product like Aura. With Aura, you can also set time limits into your child's YouTube intake so that it doesn't eat up their entire free time or, turn their brain into complete mush, as it definitely would do. Now, this is something that is not at all built into YouTube's native controls. With Aura, you will also get things like social media monitoring, email blocking, website blocking, and usage analysis. Aura offers a premium parental control plan for $11 a month, but I would actually recommend that you go with their family premium plan, which offers additional things like identity theft protection and data broker removal for everybody in your family. It's still a pretty great price point for all of the features offered, and it even includes things like safe gaming features for your child's PC. And of course, by clicking the link in the description below, you'll also get a discount. And how lovely is that? Now let's take a minute to look at some of the other parental control apps that are available right now. While Aura is great for YouTube, it may not be the right fit for everyone. If you're looking for something that offers a broader range of protection across more of your online activities, services like Bark or Custodio may be the right choice. Bark in particular offers broader monitoring capabilities and is a great solution for things like social media monitoring and location tracking. Now, that said, if YouTube is your primary concern, I feel like Aura offers a pretty great balance of protection, insight, price point, and ease of use. By now you should have a good working idea of how to get started with YouTube's built-in parental controls, but that really is just the first step in the process. It's essential as a parent to be involved with your child's online activity, regularly checking in on the things that they're watching, how they're interacting with others on the platform, and reminding them of the dangers of getting in touch with strangers online. Combining YouTube's built-in features with Aura's more advanced monitoring can help give you some peace of mind while allowing your child to explore the platform for all the positive things that it can offer. If you're ready to go the extra mile in protecting your child's online safety, consider checking out the best deals that are available using the link in the description below. Taking these steps will help create a safer digital experience for your child while allowing them the freedom to enjoy their YouTube responsibly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.